Hope Hansen. Hope is a member of the Forestville 4-H Club who will sing the national anthem. And if you'd please stand.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
How about that, everyone? Hope Hansen, Forestville 4-H. Thank you, Hope. Thank you very much. And now, if you'd be seated and enjoy